To make egg tarts, you need 150 grams of salted butter or 咸黄油, 2 egg yolks or 蛋黄, 1 egg white or 蛋白, 150 grams of hot water or 热水, 150 grams of sugar or 糖, 4 eggs or 鸡蛋, half teaspoon of vanilla extract or 香草精, 280 grams of flour or 面粉, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar or 糖粉, 250 milliliters of milk or 牛奶, and a little bit of salt or 盐. To make the crust for your egg tart, first cream together the butter with the icing sugar, then cream the egg yolk and egg white. Once everything is creamed, add in the flour and mix well. Once everything is mixed, use your hand and press the mixture together to form a dough. Give it a good knead and then wrap the dough in a cling wrap and put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes to let it cool. Once it's ready, take the dough out and cut out circle shapes with a cookie cutter. And press that dough into the cupcake wrappers. Then take all those crusts into the fridge for about 30 minutes while you make the egg custard filling. To make the filling, beat the eggs, vanilla, milk, and salt. Then add the sugar water. Strain the mixture twice. Then once the crusts are ready, pour the filling into the crust. And bake it for about 25 minutes at 355 degrees.
I love how you're still just eating while I'm recording her. Get out of the shot.